lesson plan mo, ay, enthusiastic ka din mga kailan. Noon to, din report yun, o kanan na ka ng school, enthusiastic kaya di aboy mangisin. Ano yan? Ang nagmayat si Jerry sa stand. You have all those gadgets, you have everything now. So, you should be very happy and thankful. One time, dati ma-share ko, idi da kami ti teacher, idi. Ay apo, awan tilugan. Kana meeting kami every Fridays na. Awan mo na iti flashlight, isigaw ni, sana mo yung pao. Siyempre, nung makita na, useless to use perfume, di ba? Kaagad ka. Itok do, tadun mo ng kanan, diap apo tayo sa sumaha. Yes, that's being resilient. Sa ibtur, sumata po yung masum, tadadarasun tan malabi. Meron kayo na? Wala. You are very lucky lang ba? Nakakuha kong kunang aramido yung man. Anak mo ka na mamati, you can do it. Dito pa yan ang dahil lugar ko, dito man yan, di ba? So, yan. That's the happiness of you today because of those many things that what you call that? Advanced technology now. Meron tayo ngayon lahat. So, dahil nga rin, tahanak nga nag-AI, pasensya kayo, nga dahil lang ang pinag-isaganak amon. It's good to be true, di jayon. Ano AI, matlang kat baka i-mislead na siya. Ano yan? Yes. But if you really, that person who is highly, what do you call that? High-tech addict, you can make use of those. Actually, dagitati, i-encourage na kada tayo, especially you teachers. You need to use technology in teaching now because you are now in the age of what? Modern technology. You will be very boring. The students, your learners will say, boring si ma'am. They can say that because you do not use the technology where they are in now. Kaya, jakam ka na, iyat yun din inyat yun kasi. Tanod kasi, adin na high-tech, but this time we need to go and learn more because teaching is a lifelong learning that we say. Hang kayo nga, ag-stop ijay. It's not because you are a teacher now. Do not stop. You keep on learning. Kakaro tata, di ba mama dati teacher said and tata? Adan, dagisan na sumasarunong nga pagsayaatan. And maybe mom will tell you about those things. So, adon saan na tayo ibalak, sir? Can I share? Ikanta ako. Di ba susunod tayo? Understand just how you feel. Your love for me, why not living? It's over now, but it was right. I understand. You did not give me the guitar. I can also use guitar. You did not give me. Anyway, no next time to niya. I hope inspired you so that next time, adamay tinanong ako mayor because you are there, so ang mayor. Sana kung Teachers Day, we will be the one to entertain them.